Welcome to my YouTube channel, Techie Sang.
System on chip. Normally, Raspberry Pi comes under system on chip. Okay, whatever might be the customized architecture, in order to speed up the circuit, we'll go for system on chip. Now, Raspberry Pi, what it does is that it acts like a mini computer. It itself acts like a mini computer. Okay, that is the advantage of Raspberry Pi. With the low cost, you can even interface it with monitor, and it works like a system separately. You can interface it with monitor, and you can work it with Raspberry Pi. That is possible. Okay. Now, Raspberry Pi, you can interface it with camera, hard disk, SD. It supports SD card, hard disk. It supports, and you need to give power supply to it. Okay. Through UART interface, it connects with Bluetooth module. You can connect LCD module along with Raspberry Pi. Okay. You can even connect earphones and speaker with that of Raspberry Pi. Okay. It functions whatever you can just see. It's simple mobile. It functions like a simple mobile phone. It connects with Bluetooth. It connects with earphone. It works like a computer, and everything. It works like an Android mobile phone. It works like Android mobile phone. The Raspberry Pi architecture itself, it contains all. Just see, it has a microprocessor. It has read-only memory. It has random access memory. It has a slot for SD card. It has power supply. It needs to be connected with power supply. It has HDMI port. It has HDMI port, and it has jack. It can be connected to Ethernet. You have dual slot USB. Dual slot is available for USB. And then you can connect a camera module. You can connect GPIO, 40-pin GPIOs. You can connect it here. Okay. This is the simple architecture for Raspberry Pi. You can connect camera module, you can connect jack, you can connect it to HDMI port, you can connect it to Ethernet. You have 2 slots of USB. Whatever you want to connect, you can connect it through USB port. All this is possible using Raspberry Pi architecture. Okay. Now just see, in case of Raspberry Pi, how it has been connected. Okay. So you have microphone. It is a wave signal that is fed as an input to Raspberry Pi. You have smoke sensor. It is a continuous signal. It has an ADC to connect it to Raspberry Pi. And GPS module, you can connect it with Raspberry Pi. Light bulb adapter, you can connect it through power supply, and you can connect it to Raspberry Pi. Either you can pass it outside world data, or you can take data. It is bidirectional. That is, you can connect it to internet. You can connect it with speech recognition API, and also with a server through internet. You can connect it through internet. You can also connect it to your ear tags. You can also connect it to your ear tags. Okay. So this will be You can connect all the module, whatever you want, you can connect it with Raspberry Pi. It acts like a
Thank you, friends.